Hello everyone, I am Sukhbir Kaur, your English teacher. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the play name The Tempest. It is written by William Shakespeare. So, my dear students, first of all, you should know the meaning of the word tempest. It means violent storm. As the play opens, we see that on board a ship at sea is caught in a violent storm. Royal passengers are there in the ship. So you must know about them that who are the royal passengers. One is Alonso. He is the king of Naples and his son named Ferdinand. Next one is Sebastian, is the brother of Alonso, and next is Antonio, the usurping Duke of Milan, and Gonzalo is the king's advisor, and many other passengers are there. So along with them we have master, boatswain and mariners. Master is the commander of the merchant ship. Boatswain is an officer on a merchant ship. So before coming to the main point, I want to make you this thing clear that storm is raised by Prospero by his magical powers. So you must keep this thing in mind that Prospero has raised the storm because he has the knowledge that his brother named Antonio, the Duke of Milan, is on a passing ship. He has raised the storm by magic to wreck the ship and interrupt the voyage to take revenge on the group of noblemen who are returning to Italy after the wedding of Alonso's daughter. And here you need to remember the name of Alonso's daughter. Her name is Claribel. As the storm rages, the master of the ship, the boatswain, and other sailors are trying to control the ship whilst the noblemen get in their way. As they work to take down the sails to save the ship, the royal passengers named Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, Gonzalo, Ferdinand, and others come above the boat. Alonso, the king of Naples, speaks to the boatswain. He wants to know about the captain of the ship. The boatswain, as he does not have the time to respect his royalty when the ship is facing the terrible storm. He says, "What cares these roars for the name of king?" The boatswain is completely irritated. Gonzalo remarks, "Yet remember whom thou hast aboard. Yet remember whom thou hast aboard" means remember who you have on board as a passenger, as one of the passengers is of some importance. But the boatswain is unmoved by the words of Gonzalo. He will do what he has to do in order to save the ship, regardless of who is aboard. Gonzalo, king's advisor, is fearful of sinking. He remarks about boatswain that he is more fit for dying by hanging than drowning. Then boatswain re-enters and is giving instructions to mariners to bring down the mast. After that, three of the passengers, Sebastian, Antonio, and Gonzalo, re-enters, much to the boatswain's annoyance. While Sebastian and Antonio starts cursing boatswain, the boatswain continues in his efforts to save the ship. Soon the sailors enter with lament that the ship is lost. Fearing that they all will die soon, Antonio, Sebastian, and Gonzalo wishes to join the rest of the royal passengers, where they will pray for their survival. So, my dear students, this scene ends with the dialogue of Gonzalo. He expresses his wish that he does not want to die in the sea. So, this is all about your scene. Thank you.